Deosaee, land of fairies and giants. Deosaee is the combination of two words deo, giant, and saee, shadow. For centuries, it is believed that this place is haunted by giants, thus the name the land of the giants came into being. Deosaee Plains are situated at an average elevation of 4,114 meters, 13,497 feet, above sea level and considered as the highest plateaus in the world. A road from Skardu Bazaar turns to the Sadpara village. From this curvy road, Sadpara Lake seems so beautiful that the onlookers forget to blink. Soon comes the Sadpara village, where the local children have conspired with the nature to stop the vehicles. Deosaee has a deafening silence, a silence spanning over centuries. The silence is so deep that one can hear his own heartbeat, unless a marmot's whistle fills the valley. Deosaee is located on the boundary of Karakoram and the Western Himalayas, and at no point it is less than 4,000 meters above sea level. It remains covered with snow for 8 months. The rest of the year, it hosts a range of beautiful flowers of all hues and colors, but not a single tree is found in this plateau spread over 3,000 square km. When the village is left behind, the road becomes uneven, and increasing height puts pressure on ears. High mountains on one side, and depths on the other side. It is enough to disrupt the heartbeat of first-time visitor. But when you are done with the journey, such a scene awaits you, which can neither be described in words, nor can it be entirely captured in photographs.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आपने हमें मौसम में इधर देओसाई घुमाने के लिए लेके आके काफी खुश हुआ मुझे। आपने गाड़ी ड्राइव करके हमें इधर पहुंचा दी, ये हमारे लिए बहुत काफी है। ठीक है कि नहीं? आप लोगों को खुश।
Crossing the bridge at Barapani, there is a road which leads to Sheeza Lake. Sheeza in local language means blind. This lake is one of the highest lakes in the world. The deep blue water, with snow-covered mountains in backdrop, and greenery with wildflowers in foreground offer such a view in summers, that one is left amused for the rest of his life. If the weather is clear, the killer mountain Nanga Parbat's snow-covered peak can be seen easily. This lake is the heart of Deosaee. The Deosaee National Park was established in 1993 to protect the survival of the Himalayan brown bear and its habitat, having long been a prize kill for poachers and hunters. There are several springs in Deosaee brimming with trout fish serving as food for locals and bears alike. 5,000-meter high mountains in the backdrop, wildlife dwelling in these mountains, clouds so low that one can almost touch them.